Hi everyone, today I'm continuing on in my decluttering and preparing my girls' room for a sale. As you guys know, if you watched my two previous videos, my girls share a room and we recently moved, and this is what I did to prepare for our sale. And our home sold within a month, a little less than a month, and so I wanted to give you some tips and tricks that I use in case you were in the market for selling your home. So the first tip I have is to declutter. And here on my channel I have a ton of videos on decluttering, KonMari way, and just decluttering in general. You're going to want to declutter about 90% of your things. Now for kids it's a little hard, but there is a way that you can do it in such a way that they would still feel comfortable. Now I decluttered the kids' books a few videos ago, and in case you missed that, I'll link it up above and down below in the description box. And you could take a look at how I went through it with them and we decluttered their books. Now anything that was left is the stuff that we're keeping. So all those books you see on my daughter's shelf there, we are keeping. However, books in general make a room look cluttered. So we're going to remove all of these and place them in boxes. Next, declutter their toys, leaving just the toys that they play with on a daily basis. My previous two videos are on decluttering toys, so I'll link that above and below so you can take a look. Then the next thing I recommend is to declutter any kind of shelves that you have. Remove all knickknacks, papers, just miscellaneous stuff that you have lying around. If you can find a home for them, great. If not, either put them in a box if you know you're going to use them, or get rid of them. For artwork and school projects, you can take a picture, snap a picture of it, and then go ahead and discard it. And last but not least, I recommend leaving your clothes for the very end, and go ahead and take out basically everything out of the closet except for 7 days worth of outfits, plus a few pieces that may be slightly out of the season. So that means for summer you might want to keep a few of spring pieces like t-shirts and pants, and then like one or two, and then for winter that might mean leaving some t-shirts as well, and for spring it might mean leaving some tank tops and some shorts for those warmer weather days. Once you've decided which pieces to keep and you've taken everything out of your closet, then you can go ahead and categorize them and place them into separate bins or boxes for storage. The next thing to do is clean. And just like decluttering, this does not cost money. So dust and wipe down any shelves that you may have, any light fixtures or lamps that are in the room, as well as the window frames, the curtain rods, and the blinds, or if you have curtains and they need washing, you can go ahead and do that too. Then you're going to move to the floors. Now before you move to the floors, you're going to wipe the walls or spot wipe it wherever you see any stains or marks. And then you're going to move on to the floors. So tip number 3 is to then go ahead and decorate. Now for decorating, I did not buy anything. I used what they had. And I would suggest keeping it simple. Less is more here. And so the result is a beautiful, clean, simple room with minimal decorations that a buyer can picture themselves in. So stay tuned for the full room tour in my staged home tour video coming soon.